Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's natural gas weekly recap, natural gas prices are unchanged basically. We're down just two ticks to 435.60, down just one tick now, or 0.02%. Here on barchart.com, as you can see, we're still above the 13 and 48 period exponential moving averages. And the RSI is kind of just wobbling here above 60. So it does tell us that we're probably going sideways, looking for a catalyst to go further to the upside, but weather forecasts seem to be, well, they're kind of muddied right now. So let's turn to the hourly chart. As you can see here, we are looking at holding around this daily pivot here at 432.30, and we're looking to see if we can push out to the first resistance at 445.40. And first support right now is at 422.60. The RSI is turning up from a low level, which tells us it does have a few legs here. Let's see how it closes this afternoon. What happened for the storage report came in at 33. This is around expectations, which were between 30 and 35. And as you can see, we're currently right now at 3.915 TCF in the ground. Now, we still have a few weeks to potentially put more gas in the ground. It is November, so we're looking to see if the weather will allow it, but we've got some very cold temperatures coming in on Monday and Tuesday for the eastern half of the country. And as you can see, because of that strength in the front, the DEES spread, this is DEES 26 versus DEES 25, has come in. Currently, right now, we're up a little bit, up a penny and a half to 39.7 cents, or 3.66% up on the day, but we're well below our highs here, which we peaked out at 92.6 cents. The 13 and 48 period exponential moving averages have crossed the downside a few sessions ago, and so that means that we're in a sell mode here for this particular spread. And looking at the international LNG prices, this is the JKM versus the TTF, the Japan-Korea marker versus the European marker. And as you can see right now, we're continuing to move higher. So we're up at 40 cents JKM premium to TTF, still not enough to incentivize U.S. cargoes to divert from Europe to Asia, but it is moving in that direction. So what else is going on? Well, the 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, despite the cold temperatures that will be coming in on Monday and Tuesday, this is looking for the 14th through the 20th. And as you can see right now, it is above normal around Texas and the center of the country, with below normal temperatures just really in Southern California. And as you can see here, this is the cold that will be on the East Coast on the 11th. This is pivotalweather.com. And as you can see, this is 20 to 30 degrees below normal for this time of year, but it is transitory. But we've got potentially another cold front coming through around the 17th, as you can see here, and this is on WX charts, but that is limited to the Great Lakes and mid-Atlantic states, possibly into New England. But we'll see if the weather models flip yet again on Sunday nights. What about the Atlantic? Well, the Atlantic hurricane season looks like it's quiet and done for this. So this will be our last chart showing the satellite picture for the Atlantic, but looks like that was it. We'll turn our attention to the Arctic, where the snow and ice continue to expand. And this is important because we want to see the northern approaches to Hudson Bay freeze over, and that will allow ice to form across that big bay. And that will allow cold Arctic air to descend straight down from the northern pole into the mid-Atlantic states, the Great Lakes, and of course, New England. So we watch that very carefully because that can really drive space heating demand higher. And here's the U.S. nuclear outages. We're below our 5-year average for this time of year. We're currently right now at only 11.6 gigawatts. This is below the low of the 5-year average at 14.9. So everything is getting ready for winter quicker. And what's going on with our stocks? This is the oil and gas E&P sector. These are stocks between $2 and $10 billion and have a high short float. And look, we're missing one. Northern Oil and Gas has left the party. And as our friends here know, CRK and CNX, because they're natural gas focused, have been our big winners for this week so far. And as you can see right now, Apache also joining the party, up 5.52%. So recapping again, natural gas is sitting currently at 434.90, down just 8 ticks for the spot December contract. as we await further weather reports. Remember, this is the volatile season for weather reports. So every 12 hours, we can just swing one way or the other on the forecast. So be very, very careful out there. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.